Without much ado, allow me to go straight to the business of the day. I have a statement, but before I read that statement, I want to play this recording here that should mark the actual beginning of our transaction today.
Gafu ya mwe kugenya mapeleka pa $88. Kuna nao jezera for 100. And UCSOs didn't question anything. Kugenya. Chumijina ndabite kenduli. Kutenguku Kenya ujagunuku mafika 188. Because mafura janagata ya kugenya kwa Tanga is 120 kilometers from Kenya, from Mombasa. It's very close to Kenya. Sama funika sangara nizile transporting. Some of them go where this thing, it will torture them for the rest of their life. Because anaba, yeah, because sunga Kenya sanga kulisa red kulisa 194. Come we say let us look for peace. Come I think it's sa funa kuvuti zotega antumewa amene yapanga ujelewa ndanga tunga asiya kuti akambirana nawo. Some of us are not interested in this. We never, even when our procurement, you will never hear Urichi Kunanariapa. Zero. Come it was my ministry. I said, this. Come since now we know this is more than just the office. We are sitting in that office. We can't be seeing things going wrong. What is the need for office? You're 1.7 million per month for what? We are there to deliver service. Young gaf anaipitiliza tibirana ku SCP because young gaf ku Kenya amakulisa 88 kunogera kafika branch 194.
Do we have evidence?
Yeah. Kunogera kafika branch 194. If you want that nene go would know gaf because mafuna anakata iba kutanga some no can any difference. Some no can any difference in terms of price. Yeah. Sio beba kodi inuka gagala tagajaga magala kana imba minister William Chamunga di gairego mamsana ana lemba yo yamba ija ndi achiwirichi ya matola no problem ineyo ndiri Bunda Road ndi akulu koma ndikamaliza meeting ndikuimbirana. Oh, okay. Nangasima jana bempa kuti ndikumane nawo anthu achuluwo wanamiza koma sana anango ndipanga bluetooth. Text abana kuti ndaone because ishishiro yamagira yonchi yayi ndaone
two recordings. One, that is the voice of the former principal secretary for energy, engineer Alfonso Chikuni. That is a concerted two recording. You have heard him. He was apparently sick with corruption that was happening during the previous administration. involving fuel procurement. The second recording, that's a voice of the PS again, Engineer Afonso Chikuni, talking over the phone to the current Chief Executive Officer for the National Oil Company of Malawi, NOCMA. I'm saying the current Chief Executive Officer for the National Oil Company of Malawi, NOCMA, Mr. Clement Kanyama.